I don't want you to think about hypnosis as something that may be done to you. It's something that you already have the opportunity to do within yourself. Your mind is experiencing and participating with stories, and this means that you can change your story. You can change so many of those real details of your story. If you want things in your story to change, hypnosis is the perfect modality for you. Lauren Hall here, your Modern Day Hypnosis Ambassador. When you think about hypnosis, I want you to recognize this is not a state. This is not a depth. It's not like hypnosis starts and then you see if it can take you under. Hypnosis is already something that you've done several times every single day. You are doing it all the time. It is so natural and so easy that you don't even realize you are in hypnosis. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you walked in there? Have you been driving down the highway and missed your turn even though it's your regular route? Do you get lost in a daydream or a book? These are examples of the ongoing experience of self-hypnosis that you are in every single day. And hypnosis is not the experience of you participating with a script. Hypnosis is not even you being directed into the achieved right amount of depth. Hypnosis is your subconscious taking suggestions, and your subconscious is taking and participating with suggestions all of the time. And this is why modern day hypnosis stands behind this clear philosophy that hypnosis is always happening, and you are the best person to direct changes into that story. You already know that you can achieve goals. You can change habits. You can stop or erase triggers or traumas. Did you know that you can change things in your brain to help you with anaphylactic allergies, with chronic physical pain? Your brain is this massive, untapped resource. And once you understand those formulas of self-hypnosis, you can achieve the experience immediately to any changes in your story that you want. Join me any workshop. I will give you specific, tailored to your goals techniques. I will give you as much as possible these processes for free, or you can own toolkit for lifetime access. You could also work with a professionally trained hypnosis ambassador with Modern Day Hypnosis, but truly you are the best one. And that is why it is time for you to wake up from any trance that you no longer would like to be in and put yourself into a better experience of life and trance. Hypnosis is just a word that is scary for so many people, and it is time to modernize that word, which is why I'm here to help simplify and demystify and give to you the powerful and effective techniques of hypnosis, which you've already been doing, but maybe needing a little bit of tweak on that formula so that you can exactly have what it is that you need now. And I hope you take that and enjoy that. And I thank you so much for spending this time with me today. This is Lauren. I am a Modern Day Hypnosis Ambassador.